Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial where today, I will show you an example of a landform prototype. Here are the things you'll need. Play-Doh, paper, clay tools and scissors. I'd like to start with a base. Since I'm doing a valley, I started with a water base first, followed by rock formation. I've tried to make a bushy grass and mixed different dough colors to make the water. You can experiment on different methods on your own to create textures and elements for your environment. This is the result of my landform prototype. That's it for the video, thank you for watching.